Hi everybody, I'm Steve Hoberman. I'm going to show you how to use PebbleU. Go to PebbleU.com or download the app from the iStore or Google Play. If you're a current subscriber, enter your username and password and click Login. If you were given an access code, such as if you're taking a test drive of PebbleU, click on New User, Register Here, complete all this information, enter your access code, and click that you've read the privacy policy, and then click Register. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be presented with thousands of books, videos, and articles, all aimed at helping you do better with digital transformation within your organizations. And you could find what you're looking for a number of different ways. You can search for different topics. You can search for authors. You also can filter a number of different ways too. All of the content in PebbleU is organized around the 4 Ds of digital transformation: data, discovery, development, and direction. And you could, within each of these, select subcategories. For example, in addition, you could select a variety of formats. You might choose just to listen to an audiobook or read a book or see the latest in research or watch a video. Once you decide on a topic to learn more about, let's say data lakes, you're presented with information about the Pebble, including learning objectives, and then you could read the book. The interface is extremely powerful and very easy to customize to make it work best for you. You have the options of playing with font sizes to make it as readable as you like for yourself. You could change colors as well. You also have options to highlight content and also add notes. You can also bookmark different sections of the text as well. There are quite a few audiobooks, and a number of these have been professionally
followed by
recorded.
4th generation languages, 4GLs,
and also amazing videos to watch.
High-tech industry for any.
All of the Pebbles have a section where you could actually access a discussion group to talk with other subscribers and talk about what you learned and any questions you have.